Hi guys, again welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY face mask, because right now all of us need masks to reduce the spread and also to reduce the chances of you contracting the virus from someone else. So without much further ado, let's go into it. I have my small top so I'm sorry I have to sacrifice you, but I have to show you using it. So you can just basically use anything. I'll just use this part. So pair of scissors, cut it. I feel so painful cutting this, but a girl gotta do it. You can make this for your babies, you can make this for every single person in your house if you really can't afford. And this is cheap. Then I'll show you how to actually take care of the mask so that you don't you avoid getting infected. So I'll just dispose this one here. Then we have this here. It's just crooked. So I want this part to be the inside part and then this to be the outside part. So I'll just fold, like that. Remember my 2 rubber bands from the shower cap? Just put this one side here, then one side here. Then we fold one inside the other. I hope this will be better and much more perfect than the other one. Then see, we have a face mask. Oops, it's refusing to cooperate. Okay, instead of going through all this hassle, you can knit, but I'm not a good person in stitching and all. But if you want to avoid this, you can just stitch. Then now, see, we already have a face mask. So you see, it properly covers my nose and my mouth. See? So in case someone coughs, I'm okay. See it like that. Then once you've made that, it's fine. And then you've worn it throughout the day. So how do you come and clean it? How do you wash it? Because this is going to be reusable. So remember, this is the outer part. When you're removing this, make sure you wash your hands first, and then remove it the way I showed you in the previous video. And then this other side, don't touch it because of the risk of contaminating your hands. So once I've removed it, with me here I have very hot water. I've just boiled it in a cup. Then I have a sterilizing solution, Milton sterilizer. I know most of you can get it. You can use Dettol, you can use anything that can disinfect. And then I have salt. So I'll just show you what I'll do with all this. And then I have some detergent, so Omo, and then I have a bowl. Oops, my detergent, my piece of cloth, sorry, I put it on cloth. So what I'll do first of all, I'll put this one inside here. And then now I add which one? Anyway, the procedure doesn't matter. I'll just add hot water. And then after that, I put the soap in. And then I add salt. The reason why I add salt, because salt is antibacterial and it also just helps to sterilize this. So I'll add a little bit of salt. And then I add my Milton sterilizer. Just a little bit of the solution in order to sterilize this. Then you see how it looks like. So I'll just kind of mix it. Be careful so as not to get burnt with the hot water. Then after that, you soak it for 15 to 30 minutes. So after 15 to 30 minutes, I'll come, I take it through the washing procedure, and then we continue. So after soaking it, I'm gonna show you how to wash it 30 minutes later. Yeah, so this water I'll just pour it. Yeah, and then I'll just wash it now with soap. Rinse it very well. I'll go and dry it. Then once it's dry, I'll remove it and then I'll go and iron it, and then it's ready for use again. Yeah, thank you. So after it has already dried, after they've already dried, so you see I have like 3 of them now. So this is how you store them. So you'll have to iron them and then just fold them. Yeah. So you see I have like so many. Then I have this bag. I'll just keep them inside, and whenever I want to go out, even my strings, whenever I want to go out I can use them. Make sure you sterilize the strings. I just disinfect them because you never know what you're carrying if you're reusing. Yeah, so I just put them here. Then I go and put in a designated place in my closet just for storage of them, and if I want to go out I can reuse them. Yeah, the reason for storing this in the bag is just to prevent contamination by dust. You never know what the dust that comes like from outside carries. So just to prevent contamination, because we've already sterilized, we've already done, not even sterilized, we just disinfected. Yeah, and then we don't want it contaminated again, the inner part, because you're putting it to your nose. So to prevent that, store them in this and then just put where you're comfortable placing them so that you can reach them. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure now you start DIYing your masks. Make sure you can just like have a mask when going out. Protect yourself. Please wash your hands. Please social distance. Like avoid walking close to each other and talking like close to each other to prevent particle spread. Yeah, sanitize your hands. Stay home. Please stay at home. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. Until next time, bye.